So it is very easy to use Acymailing newsletter component, and let me show you some very basic but important things. So you can go to components, Acymailing and lists, and here you will see all the list of newsletters that the chapter has. Now this list contains all the members whose membership has expired, and this is automatically maintained list, so you don't need to do anything and it will contain the right data every time. Same goes for this list. This list contains all the active chapter members, or say all the members whose membership is valid, and this is also automatically maintained list and you don't need to do anything, and this number and the subscribers inside this list will be always up to date. And this list contains all the users who subscribe to newsletter using this form here. So if anybody submits this form, that user will be put in this list. So these three lists are the most commonly used list. Now to send a newsletter, we need to go to this one, newsletters, and here you can hit the new button to create a new newsletter. And when you hit this new button, this form appears, and here you mention the subject of the newsletter, and this is going to be the subject of the email message that will be sent out. And you can set this to published, and this contains the content of the newsletter. Now this is the default template that's been used, and you can add your newsletter content here, or say if you don't want all these graphics and everything, you can simply select all and delete everything and start composing the newsletter the way you want it to be. Now let's say you want to type something manually, because it is an editor, you can type here anything, and also you can apply all these formattings, like say for example you want the text color to be like this, and you want to insert an image, you can use this icon to upload and insert an image here, and you can apply all other formattings. This is one of the ways to insert content. However, most of the times maybe you have already created an article in the website and you simply want to insert that article. In that case, you can use tags. So let's say here you want to insert an article. So you hit this tags option and you will find all the articles in this Joomla content tab. So you click on that, and here you will see all the articles. Let's say you want to insert this article, so you select that, and you want to display images, you want the title to be clickable, and you want to display not title only but full text, and then you insert the tag. Now this tag is inserted and this will be converted into that full article. So maybe after that you want to insert this horizontal line, and after that maybe you want to insert an event, so you can again use the tag, and here now you can go to event booking, and here you can select one of the events. So let's say for example I want to insert this event, and I don't want this thumb image, I want the title, I want the start date, end date, and I want the full description instead of short description, and I want this registration button, and then I can insert this tag. Now I have this tag for one article and this tag for an event, and then let's preview this. Once you have entered the subject and the content, you can preview that. So let's preview this, and then we can see, okay, so this is how this newsletter is going to look like. So this is the article that we inserted with help of the tag. This is the event that we inserted with the help of the tag. And now when you think that this newsletter is good to go, if the content is final, then you select this list of newsletter. So say most of the times you want to send this to newsletter subscribers and to current memberships and to expired memberships. So you select this list and then you can preview, and if everything looks good, you can schedule this. And maybe say you want this to go out after 5 minutes. Okay, so in this case you simply set this time and schedule, or you can schedule after a month, after a day, or whenever you would like to, and then the system will automatically send this out for you at this scheduled date and time. So that is the very basic introduction of how to use this component. So you have all these options, like you can see statistics, and you can modify the template and all those things. So please go through it and let me know if you need any further assistance with this. Thank you.